There are so many types of modeling clays like paper, ceramic, polymer, salt dough, cold porcelain, and many more like these. Are you also confused which clay is right for your artwork? Then guys, you are at the right place. Because in this video we are going to talk about different types of clays with their pros and cons and where you can use these. We will also talk about and compare different types of clays which will help you to choose right clay for your project. But before we start, do subscribe this channel so that you get notification for all new upcoming videos. So let's get started. Clays are primarily divided into two categories. The first is air dry clay and the second is oven or fire baked clay. We will talk about all these types of clays later in this video, so don't skip the video and watch the video till the end. For home crafting, we generally don't use these three types of clays because porcelain clay, pottery clay and ceramic clay, these all need to be baked in fire to get hardened. That's why it is not suitable for home use. Now let's talk about most commonly used clay, that is air dry clay. So what is actually air dry clay? As its name suggests, air dry clay hardens at room temperature. We do not need to bake this clay in oven or fire. Cold porcelain clay, baking soda clay, salt dough and paper clay, these are few commonly used air dry clays for home crafting. Now coming to its advantages, it is very easy to work with air dry clay. From kids to adults, it is suitable for all age groups. It is affordable and the good thing is that you can make these clays easily at home with ingredients available in your kitchen. So it is free from harsh chemicals also. Isn't it cool? But there are few disadvantages of working with air dry clay. First is its slow drying process. Some clays might take 2 to 5 days to get completely hardened. And the next is shrinkage or change in shape. Air dry clay shrinks to some percentage after drying because of the evaporation of water content from it. Because of this, some clays might get cracks after drying. And these are not waterproof. Now coming to the next type of clay, that is oven baked clay. Oven baked clay needs to be baked in oven at a specific temperature. It remains soft at room temperature and hardens after baking only. Most commonly used oven baked clay is polymer clay. The good thing about working with polymer clay is that it does not change shape after baking. It becomes very strong and durable. It does not get cracks and shrinks like air dry clay. It becomes waterproof after baking. It comes in many colors so that you don't have to mix colors in this. But there are few disadvantages of polymer clay also. The first is you need to be very careful while baking this clay in oven. You cannot make this clay at home as it is made from PVC resin chemical compound. It is expensive as compared to air dry clay and you cannot make new shades because it comes in ready colors. Polymer clay is mostly used for making clay jewelry, charms, figurines, miniatures, sculptures and many other projects like this. Now we will talk about different types of air dry clays. All these air dry clays you can easily make at home. I will share the video recipes in my upcoming videos. So subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. So most commonly used air dry clay is the cold porcelain clay. You can make this clay at home by mixing cornstarch and white glue. This clay is very soft and elastic. That's why it can achieve very fine details and you can create more intricate designs with this. It is strong and durable, but it may take 2 to 5 days to dry completely at room temperature. And it also shrinks around 10 to 15% after drying. It is suitable for almost any kind of project like making flowers, figurines, miniatures, charms and making clay jewelries, especially in projects where you want fine details and thin designs. Second commonly used air dry clay is baking soda clay. It is made by mixing baking soda and cornstarch together with water. It is little crumbly in texture, that is why you cannot get very thin designs with this. It does not shrink much, but it is more fragile and can break easily. Its drying time is very slow, it may take almost a week to get hardened completely. It is suitable for small and temporary projects and kids crafting activities like this. Now next in the list we will talk about paper clay. You can make this clay with newspapers or tissue papers. It is very affordable and easy method as it does not require any cooking for making this clay. It is an eco-friendly clay as it is made with papers. It does not shrink in shape, but you cannot make very intricate or fine designs with this clay. So in my opinion, it is suitable for the projects where you don't want to give much details and fine designs. Lastly, we will talk about salt dough. This you can make at home by using salt and all-purpose flour or maida. It is also a no-cooking clay and easy to make at home. It is non-toxic and eco-friendly as made with home ingredients. Its shrinkage percentage is very less, but it takes longer time in drying, about 2 to 5 days. It is suitable for kids crafting activities and projects like making handprints and ornaments like these. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope it cleared all your doubts regarding types of clays and now you can easily decide and choose right type of clay for your project. Still, if you have any questions, then you can drop down your comments in the video or you can connect with us on our Facebook and Insta handle. In my upcoming videos, I am going to test some homemade clay recipes. So I hope you subscribe the channel to watch more videos in this clay art series. If you like this video and learn something new, then like it and share it as much as you can. I hope to see you in next video. Thank you for watching.